Are you searching for the best thickness planer? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best thickness planer in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, VEVOR Electric Thickness Planer. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. New VEVOR Electric Planer Thicknesser. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. VEVOR 12-inch Wood Planer 2000W Benchtop Thickness. This 12-inch thickness planer repurposes old, weathered, rough, and worn wood to give it an exceptionally smooth finish. The powerful 2000W motor can provide efficient shaping at a 236-inch/min, 6m/min feed rate. With an extra heavy-duty iron stand, the planer keeps excellent stability during operation. It also features a dust exhaust interface for connecting to the dust collector to create a clean working environment. Powerful thickness planer, foldable workbench stand, hassle-free to operate, user-friendly details. VEVOR is a leading brand that specializes in equipment and tools. Along with thousands of motivated employees, VEVOR is dedicated to providing our customers with tough equipment tools at incredibly low prices. Today, VEVOR has occupied markets of more than 200 countries with 10 million plus global members. Why choose VEVOR? Premium tough quality, incredibly low prices, fast secure delivery, 30-day free returns, 24/7 attentive service, 2000W powerful motor. This powerful motor turns blades at high speed, delivering the performance you need for numerous tasks. In addition, with the external carbon brush port, you can easily replace the new one, saving time and effort.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. 1800W Electric Wood Thicknesser. 1800W Electric Wood Thicknesser Hand Planer, Desktop Multifunctional Woodworking Wood Jointer Carving Power Tools Machine. Number 5. 2000W 13-inch Electric Wood Thicknesser Planer. 2000W 13-inch Electric Wood Thicknesser Planer Multifunction Portable Woodworking Planing Machine. Voltage, 220V. Power, 2000W. Base material, aluminum casting. No load speed, 8000 RPM. Planing height, 160 mm. Planing width, 330 mm. Single planing, 1 to 3 mm. Weight, 34 kilograms.